The Saab 900 is widely considered the most popular and best car that Saab produced. It's what they're most well known for. And of course, in true Saab fashion, it has a lot of quirks about it, but it also, importantly, has a lot of secret features that you might not know about. And today, we're going to discuss 10 of those. If you've clicked on this video hoping to learn about some quirky features of this car, I won't be going over those per se today. However, I did do an entire separate video on some of the quirky features of this specific car. You can watch that in the top corner. But this is specifically about secret features. So let's get started with number one, which is actually the front corner lights here. Every car has reverse lights. We all know this. However, not many cars that I have seen have reverse lights in the front. So you of course have your turn signal on the top half of this corner light, and then the bottom here is actually kind of a secondary reverse light. It's more of almost like a puddle light that projects out on the side of the car and the front. When you're backing up, you can help see curbs and other things a lot better at night. You'll see that the car is currently in neutral. When I put it in reverse, those lights pop on. Back into neutral, back into reverse. So it's a very goofy feature that is actually extremely helpful, and I've only ever seen this feature on Saabs. Our second and third quirks are actually under the hood here, and you're gonna wanna stick around to the end of this video because, believe it or not, this car actually has a bottle opener hidden somewhere on it, and I'll show you that at the end here. But you can see, of course, the car has a clamshell forward hinging hood, which is obviously not very common, but that is not really a secret feature in and of itself. However, as you can probably see, working on the front of the engine with a hood like this is a little bit difficult because it'll kind of get in your way. So your two options, either to remove the hood, which is just two bolts, pretty simple, or you can put it in sort of what's called a service mode. Now, I do this just about every time I work on the car. I use a little Harbor Freight pick right here. You can actually lift up the hood pretty far vertical and then stick something in there, and it holds the hood up like that. Now that we're under here, our third secret feature I want to show you all is actually the firing order being written on the valve cover. The engine is very hot right now. It was just driven quite a distance, but you can see if you pop this little cover off, normally held in by some Torx, which I removed just for the ease of filming, there's actually the firing order labeled and written right here, 1342. Super cool. Before we continue, quick shout out to our Saab Club of Arizona meet, which will be happening on November 9th, 2024, IMM Auto Service. If you're interested in learning more about it, you can join our Facebook page or DM me for more information. We'll be having giveaways, awards, Saab Club of Arizona and Saab Club of North America swag, some swag from some random brands, and more. It's going to be awesome. We always have people from out of state attend, so I hope to see some of you there. The fourth and fifth secret features of this car are both on the passenger area of the dashboard over here, and number four is perhaps the most useless feature I have ever seen in any car, and that is if you pop the glove box door down, there are two little cutouts here that are supposedly wine glass holders or cup holders. These are, maybe a couple inches in diameter. You can't use this at any sort of speed because the lip is maybe 5 to 10 millimeters tall, not even that. Completely useless. And if you close that up, this was before the days of what you might call handles. Essentially the handle that's on all modern cars up here that the passenger or the driver can hold on to if you're swerving or doing anything crazy. So this car did not have that before that time. However, if you reach under, kind of behind the underside of the dashboard here, there's actually a good spot for your hand to grip. And it's kind of the, we'll call it, whether it was intentional or not, an early version of that. Don't worry, the driver also has a secret feature or two that applies to them. The first one being how you adjust the height on the seats. Now, my passenger seat doesn't have this. This was before the days of power seats, or at least at the dawn of power seats. And you might be wondering, well, of course you have your adjustment for forward and back, but how do you adjust the height of the seat? So Saab actually added this little handle here, and you can see if you're shorter, unlike me, my head is now in the ceiling, you can actually raise and lower the seat a very substantial amount. I mean, I almost feel like I'm on a roller coaster or something. This is kind of fun, actually. Our last secret feature up in this area is, of course, our reverse lockout. So there's a million reasons for the reverse lockout. Of course, as everyone knows, our key is down here in the center console. That's both for safety and security, but you also have a reverse lockout. And what that means is in the manual cars, the car must be in reverse for you to take the key out. That is also for safety and security as well. It's going to be some anti-theft measures. It's also going to help you, just make sure you park the car in gear. It's safer that way. It can prevent it from rolling somewhere in case the e-brake fails. But reverse lockout is another secret feature. I'll concede that the reverse lockout might not have been the best example of a secret feature, but there's no denying that the secret bottle opener is perhaps the best one on this list. And that's why we're at the back here. Whether Saab intentioned it to be a bottle opener or not, there's actually a bottle opener right there. Pretty awesome. This is kind of a better shot of it using my 2-year-old Mike's Hard that's been in my fridge forever as an example. But you essentially put the bottle up in here, wedge the cap under this little part of the latch and pull off. Bottle cap pops right off. And because this Mike's Hard is now warm and again was also sitting in my fridge for 2 years and I have to drive home in about 15 minutes when I'm done filming this, we're just gonna pour that out. 2 more secret features left, but before that, if you wanna help support the channel more, you can check out my merchandise linked at the top of the description. I have a lot of cool Saab stuff on there. Also consider subscribing if you haven't already. Help me reach my goal of 100,000 subscribers. We just crossed 95,000, so that means only 5 more thousand to go. That brings us to our last 2 secret features. This one, we just got to talk about the practicality. With the rear bench pulled up, you can actually put the rear backrest flat down, which for someone like me who's 6 feet tall, it actually gives you enough room to fully lay down. I took this car camping. It was extremely comfortable. If you want to see that video, it was absolutely hilarious. Click up in the top corner. But for being a 3-door car, I think it is a bit of a secret that it's this practical. It's insane how well packaged this car is for how small it is. That brings me to our last secret feature here, which is these rear windows. Of course, being a hatchback, these do not actually go down, but they do pop out with just a little bit of effort, which is actually phenomenal because it gives you great airflow through the whole car. I almost always drive with these popped out. It's a great little feature. Well, there you have it. 10 secret features of the classic Saab 900. There are definitely more than just these 10. So if you have any suggestions, leave them down below in the comments and perhaps I can do a part 2. Also, let me know what your favorite one is. I think the bottle opener is super cool and unique. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.